everybody, welcome back. So I am celebrating today. It is 60 days dry, 60 days no alcohol. I did it. I have not gone this long without drinking or smoking weed in probably a decade, almost a decade. So I feel great. It's been nice to have the energy that I normally didn't have. It's nice to not wake up every morning being hungover and not realizing that I'm hungover because that's just the way I always felt every single morning. I haven't lost a ton of weight because my sugar cravings got crazy. I was eating a lot of candy. I did plan on going sugar-free, and that kind of fell apart. Giving up sugar has been really, really, really hard for me. I don't even know how to address that topic, honestly. I know people bring candy and cookies to work all the time, and that's not an excuse. It's just that it's there, and my joke is that you can't bring candy to work because it's like bringing an alcoholic to an open bar. It's just not going to end well for anyone. But no, I do. I'm glad that I kicked that bad habit of drinking every day, especially on my days off. Like today is my day off from work. And when I was drinking, I would sometimes start before noon. Sometimes 9, 10 o'clock in the morning, start drinking. And then next thing I know, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm drunk and I haven't accomplished anything. And I've just been sitting around at home. Maybe I'll have done laundry. But just sitting around watching TV all day and not accomplish anything. And if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you'll see that for a while I was doing one video a week, maybe a couple of videos a week, and then I would go 2 or 3 weeks no videos. I think I went like a month or 6 weeks without making a video once. And that's because on my days off, I didn't do anything but drink. So, but lately I've been doing 2 videos a week regularly. My days off, I am filming and editing and kind of, trying to see what can I make? What new video can I make today to share with you guys? What's going on in my life that I can share with you guys? And it's been nice. It's been really cool to be able to spend a day. I think one time I had 2 days off. I filmed and edited 3 videos. And at one point I was 2 weeks ahead. I think right now about a week ahead. So by the time you see this, it'll be like a week ago. You'll see this a week from now. This is the past. Am I time traveling? No. Anyway, yeah. So, but I like being ahead. I like being ahead of the game. I never liked being in the spot where, I haven't had a video out in a while. Let me make something right now and get it out soon, I like the fact that that I'm ahead of the game with the videos. So, I feel great. I do have a lot of things to do today. I will go and do laundry today. I'm head to the gym and shower and shave. I haven't shaved in a few days. Been kind of lazy about shaving. I'm going to shave. My diesel heater came in the mail, so I'm going to go grab that, and I need to call a couple people, get quotes on getting it installed, because I am going to get it professionally installed. I am not going to risk anything and putting that thing in by myself. I'm definitely going to pay the money to have someone do it who knows what the hell they're doing, because I don't know what I'm doing. So, yeah, that is my plan for the day, is to get some stuff done and obviously film and edit a couple videos, hopefully. So I do have some stuff to talk to you guys about, stuff to share with you guys. So, see you soon. All right, got everything packed up. Time to do laundry. Still cold. Whew. All right, soap, clothes, good times ahead. My van's a mess. Alright, now laundry's done. Time to the post office. I got 2 packages that I have been patiently, maybe not patiently, been waiting for. So, let's go get those. Diesel heater finally arrived. Cannot wait to get this installed. Well, it was fun. Got laundry done. Went to the post office. Only 1 package is ready. The other package just came in this morning, but they're so insanely busy with Christmas, I haven't sorted anything out yet. So I'll come back a couple days and grab that. But I got the diesel heater, which was a huge thing. So I'm gonna call right now and set an appointment to get an estimate on what it'll cost to install it. Hopefully it'll get installed next few days, maybe next week. So if I have to wait till next week, that's totally fine. I still have the propane heater, keep me warm at night when it gets really cold. I'm going to head over to the gym and take a shower and shave, and you don't need to see that. You don't need to join me for that one. If you do feel the need to join me for that one, then leave a comment and we'll talk. I'm kidding. Anyway, thanks again for joining me, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching my day. My 60 days dry day doing chores. So now I'm going to go take a shower, edit this video up, and enjoy the rest of my day. You guys do the same. Have a good one.